leopard gecko is a super cool and easygoing pet reptile, perfect for beginners. With their vibrant yellow, spotted skin, they look like little leopards, hence the name. What makes them awesome is how chill they are. They rarely bite and are usually pretty friendly, which means you can handle them without any worries. Plus, they're low maintenance. Unlike some other reptiles, they don't need fancy UV lighting, which makes setting up their habitat much easier. They're also nocturnal, so you'll mostly see them exploring and being active at night. But during the day, they'll just hang out and relax in their hideouts. Leopard geckos also have this cool ability to store fat in their tails, so they can go for a while without eating if needed. All in all, they're the perfect pet for someone who wants a unique, laid-back companion without too much hassle.